So today, one of your assignments is going to be this lesson in Khan Academy. And this has been a lesson that's been tricky for students in the past. So I want to just review a couple questions with you to get you thinking in the right direction. So this exercise is about groups of 10 objects. And here's the question. So how many tens are in the number 60? The number 60 has blank groups of 10. So you need to figure out how many tens are in 60. And so one of the things that you might need to do to get yourself prepared to answer these questions is to have a piece of paper and a pencil there with you. Or if your parents printed out any of those base 10 blocks, you could have those little paper blocks there with you to build 60 or a whiteboard. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and draw and get my little handy pencil here. And I'm going to draw out 60, what that would look like. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, so I've drawn out my tens. Now I just need to figure out how many tens did I draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know that the number 60 has 6 groups of 10. And I can check my answer. Yep. Okay, and just so you know, you might get different questions in this. They're kind of randomized, but this is just a way to get your brain thinking about them. I have 40 stickers. I can put my stickers into blank groups of 10. So here we are. Once again, you've got to figure out how many groups of 10 are in 40. And the way that I'm going to solve it is I'm going to once again draw out 40. But you could do this with your base 10 blocks. Okay, so if your parents printed those, you could build 40 with your base 10 blocks. So here we go. Let me draw out 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Remember, these represent groups of 10. So how many groups of 10 do I have in 40? That's right, I have 4 groups of 10. Okay, this one looks a little bit different. So the question says, a crate holds 10 bananas. Charlotte has 40 bananas. Charlotte needs blank crates to hold her 40 bananas. All right, so what did this problem tell us? It tells us that Charlotte's got 40 bananas and she needs to put them into crates. Each crate can hold 10 bananas. So it's a similar question. We're trying to figure out how many groups of 10 are in 40. Well, this picture is kind of helpful because I bet this is a group of 10 right here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, yeah, this is a group of 10. So can you visually see that? How many groups of 10 are there? Well, I could circle them up if I wanted to. I could circle them up. Here's a group of 10. Another group of 10. Another group of 10. And another group of 10. How many groups of 10 are there? 4. So she's going to need 4 crates to hold her 40 bananas. Okay, and then I'm going to stop right there and I'm going to let you do the rest of those problems. The other part of your assignment today is a worksheet that's going to be up in Seesaw. It says tens and ones. So this is giving you some practice taking a number, looking at it and deciding how many tens are in that number, how many ones are in that number. Okay, and then kind of doing the opposite, you've got 7 tens and 0 ones. What is your number? All right, so a similar idea to what we did on Khan Academy. You have 40. You could draw out 40. You could draw out 40 and you could see how many tens and how many ones that you have. So just as a quick example, 10, 20, 30, 40. How many groups of 10 do I have? 4 groups of 10. I can see them. How many ones do I have? Oh, I have none. I didn't draw any ones. I have 0 ones. Now look at this. Look what you notice. 4. There's your 0. And that makes sense because this 4 is in the tens place, and this 0 is in the ones place. So we have 4 tens, 0 ones. Okay, Frog, so go ahead. You've got 2 assignments to complete today, one in Khan Academy and this worksheet in Seesaw. Bye.